Okay, so let's look at the back of this. This is really bad. Look at this one. This is one from the outside, so I can only see the little crack. But there's another one right there, but the inside is way worse. So let's take a look at it closely. So look at this. Oh my God, they're cracked everywhere. You see the side? That is really bad. This thing is, my car is 230,000 miles and I just get to it now. So look at how bad it looks. Removing this part is only optional. You only need to remove the hose for the air box. I am just removing the air box just for the really good visual. However, you do not need to remove the air box at all. All you need to do is removing the hose to the air box, and you should able to have access to all the things you need. Down there, right down there is a tensioner, little bolt right there. Okay, that's a tensioner. And to the left of it is the pulley. And the pulleys are going to be replaced. The tensioner, it just needs to be loosened. So this is how it looks like. You see, you can see a little bit if the light is shining on it. So I decided I don't need to remove the tire cover to get access to it, because I could reach my hand and do it by feel. So I can replace the serpentine belt without removing those things, just saving me a little time. But if it's a little bit harder for you to reach down to do that, you should remove the tire and the tire cover. And this is what you should do. Just remove the pulley. It's super easy. See right here. Take this off. That's it.
I see that.
There's only so much room you can move. Let's just take this out. The pulley. Yeah, I couldn't break that shit. Man, this is like tough as shit. So this is the inside. Outside.
Keep that thing.
On this next part, you won't able to see it because I did not have very good visual with the camera. I did not remove the tire or the tire cover because I can able to reach in there first. I was trying to test it first before I see if I need to remove it. But I do not need to remove it, so I just reach down to the bottom and loop it around to the top of the pulley and hand tie like A. You see number A right there, the nut, the bolt on there first before looping it in. and then you tighten the B, and then you torque it to 30 pounds. It's very hard to put your hands down to the very, to replace the serpentine belt, but you can do it if you have a smaller hands like mine. But if not, you should taking out the tire cover so you can visually do that from the bottom.